What do you think? Is it busy?
I'm walking a straight line.
Right, queue up guys, queue up. Oh, this is London lockdown, people. This is Liverpool Street Station, one of the busiest stations and terminals in London. And we're walking around as if it's a ghost town. Wet floor. I'm having loads of problems with wet floors today, people. I'm slipping, I'm getting spat on, I'm getting pissed on. It's just not fair, is it? This guy's dry as a bone. I wanted to go to Broadgate Circle first. It's not far from here, is it?
No.
Then we can take a walk down Leadenhall.
Yeah.
And then we can try and venture over to Bank later on. Bank's not far from here, is it?
No. Billingsgate?
Billingsgate, yes. Alright, plan, done. I went Greenwich last week.
Did you?
Yeah, I went Greenwich to shoot. Got a couple of good shots. If you look on my Instagram, I've got loads of like good shots. Right, life of a photographer. Everywhere you go, you just gotta keep setting up your gear. I've cleaned the sensor already. Mistake I made last time. I had a dirty sensor and all my pictures had spots on them, like it had acne. Picture acne. I always clean my stuff before I put it away. Rule number 1, people. And this little lifesaver goes on now. This is a video, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a video.
Chest mount. This is it. I actually do like this building. Perspectives. Oh my god. What's my ISO doing all the way up there? Right, off with his head. Off with his head. That's good. I'm okay with it. It is cold, isn't it? It is cold. This feels like it might be Exchange Square. We would lock off the whole of Exchange Square. Oh my god. What are they doing here? And normally, like in the summers, the middle bit's all green grass and there's stairs and people sit on the stairs and there's a massive cinema screen and people just watch whatever. Teaching a yoga class here, are you? Are we stretching? Am I getting a good view here? Say hello.
Hello.
To my little friend. Oh, looking like a hero. Right, so we've just tried and attempted, what have we attempted? Exchange Square, but they're doing some type of building, which to be honest, most of London will be right now, won't it? Most of London is under redevelopment while they can do it and there's not a lot of people around the streets. Right, we're on our way to Broadgate Circle now, which was the first initial stop, what we wanted to do. So let's see what happens. Coming up to the UBS building. Lovely. Lego. Okay, we have arrived at Broadgate Circle. Beautiful bit of building. This is a London hotspot for all bankers and professionals that work in the city to come. They congregate here. They eat, they drink, they talk, they laugh, they argue, they fight. They be Londoners. Oh, that direct sunlight is not helping. It is helping this though. That was good, man. Where are we now? What is this? The mall in the middle of nowhere. Perfect. Look, they've been robbed. No, there's just nothing on display. Oh well, there's a guy on display. He's chilling. Let's go back through the station. Grab a munch on our way to the other side of Liverpool Street. Okay, so we're back at Liverpool Street Station, trying to make our way to the other side.
Service to Hertford.
No, I can't. I shouldn't. Wasabi? Oh. Photographers get hungry, people.
Oh no, that was temporarily closed.
Oh.
I wish we...
Tease me with a Nando's. What are you getting now?
I don't know. What do you want?
I don't know. What do I want? What do you want?
Like good sushi.
Sushi in this cold weather. Uncle Roger, no approve.
What about drunken noodles?
Drunken noodles. Okay, we can do that. That's the game plan, people. Let's make it happen. Drunken noodles. Peace. Dirty dicks. I swear, London just astounds me. You know that. Doesn't look open. Why is it all like shaded and stuff? No, it's not open. Look, you can see it's all wrapped up. Yeah. Oh, well. Oh, we could always do Kung Food, Chinese cuisine, and right next to Sabera & Co. Chartered Accountants.
They're probably the same company.
Yeah, they probably are. We've still not arrived, people. We've still not arrived. We need to make this the perfect munch. Had to be done. Coffee. Yeah, that's a lot of sugar. I don't care. There we go. Beautiful. I've got one more picture that I want to take. Off we go.
Thanks.
Thank you. See you. It's a little bit cold, guys. It's just a little bit cold. What's this? Where are we? If you look up, people, that is the building we're going to try and shoot in a second. On our way to the walkie-talkie, which right at the top there has something called the Sky Garden. Now if you viewers don't know, you can actually get to the top and there's a garden with loads of restaurants. There's a Fenchurch Avenue here. There's a restaurant at the top called the Fenchurch. So definitely go check it out if you are in London and you fancy getting some nice views and some nice food. Travel advice. Never thought I'd be a travel channel, but here we go. I'm giving travel advice. I really need a bin. How is London so clean without any bins? I need to put this cup of empty coffee away. Now viewers, you might recognize this place from a very famous movie. Do the words Harry and Potter ring any bells? This was actually used in the Harry Potter movies as what? What part was it used for? Diagon Alley. Diagonally. Not Diagon Alley. The idiot says diagonally. So he went diagonally into a fireplace. Okay, what do we do here now? It's a new perspectives. We have been. So, you see, cameras have these things called batteries. And that's what kind of makes cameras work. So there's me, being the genius that I am, thinking, yeah, I'm going to go out on a POV London photography journey and film it all for you guys. But me, being me, forgot to charge the GoPro. So there's me out on my journey, taking videos, doing what I do, and then GoPro dies pretty much halfway into my day out. So hence the sudden and abrupt ending of that video. So a bit of advice there, people: always charge your gear before you go out. Rookie mistake, I've learned from it. And if you want to make things a lot easier, carry extra batteries, because that's just going to save you from thinking, oh, I've charged it. No, you haven't. Pick up another battery. But I didn't want to leave you guys just there. I mean, the video did cut off quite abruptly, but I thought, you know what? I want to show you guys the rest of what I did on that day. I wanted to show you what type of photography you can do in London and what sort of angles you can pick up in the vast landscape of architecture that London offers. So I'm going to finish this video off with a montage of the rest of the pictures that I took from that day, and I hope you guys like them, and I hope you guys like the video that I put out so far. It's my first attempt at a vlog, so if you did like it, let me know in the comments below. Drop a like, subscribe, and if you've got friends out there that are based in London, or even people traveling to London that want to get the most out of this city and capture its real essence, then hopefully this video will be an inspiration to them. So do share it out if that's something that they're going to be interested in. And of course, this being my first vlog ever, I'm trying to get used to the style, and I'm gonna keep coming out with these because I actually loved filming this. It felt really natural, and hopefully it came across natural. But ultimately, I want to give you guys a real insight into what I do as a photographer, as a filmmaker, and what actually happens behind the scenes, or what I do to create the images that I put up on my Instagram. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, link is below in the description. Check me out. I would love the support there as well. But I'm going to stop right there. You guys can have a look at these pictures. Let me know if you like them, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace!